Well, welcome, and we are doing the warm-up, so please try and follow me and do as I do every time. Concentrate in your arms, long arms, and try to feel like a ballerina. Tippy-toeing around the room, there you go. Turning around, relax and enjoy. Excellent. And dance. There you go. Make a pose. Keep the balance and long arms every time. Try to touch the floor, keeping your knees straight. There you go. Long arms. Excellent. Very well. And again, with our arms going to first, second, and third position. Now releve and développé. Go side to side. Long arms, as if you were a swan, a beautiful swan. Perfect, very good. Keep your balance in each passe. There you go. Another one, the other leg. Passe, fantastic. Excellent. Go down, soft. Breathing every time and enjoying the exercise. Very well, excellent. And 7. Fantastic, well done.